Hi, this is Asing. You are now watching Asing Math TV. Today, we'd like to show how to integrate ln x with respect to x. To integrate ln x, we can apply integration by parts. Let's recall the formula. When we integrate u, dv is equal to u times v minus integrate v du. We can let u be equal to ln x, while integrate dv be equal to integrate dx. When we differentiate u with respect to x, we should obtain 1 over x, which means that du is equal to 1 over x dx. Integrate, differentiate should cancel each other, and we left v, and so for the right hand side we have x. So which means that integrate ln x dx can be written as u, which is ln x, times v, which is x, minus integrate v, so x, times du, which is 1 over x dx, and this is equal to x times ln x minus x times 1 over x, which is equal to 1 dx, and this is equal to x times ln x. When we integrate 1, we should obtain x. Remember to add constant c, so which means that integrate ln x dx is equal to x times ln x minus 1 plus constant c, and hence with that. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.